Thank you for attending this presentation. Today I'll be talking about how Inova and Apps for Tableau collaborated to build a KPI dashboard. Who is Inova? Inova is a leading nonprofit healthcare provider in Northern Virginia. We have about 20,000 team members providing care to over 2 million patients every year. In 5 Inova hospitals, primary and specialty care practices, emergency and urgent care centers, outpatient services, and destination institutes. We've also been recognized by Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, along with other organizations. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to go to inova.org. Who am I? My name is Hina Wahid, and my Tableau journey started in 2018 as a Tableau designer. And since then, it has grown to building executive and C-suite dashboards as a senior BI developer today. For this specific project, I was assigned the development of the Tableau portion for the cascading scorecard. The use case of this dashboard was to create a scorecard for senior leadership to measure success across the system, service line, and site of care. The time period to consider was monthly, year-to-date, rolling 12 months actual performance, and compare that to targets and year-to-date trends. Prior to learning about Super KPIs, I created a tile view of the system scorecard, which entailed creating sheets for each component of the metric, and resulting to about 100 sheets for the dashboard. This approach was becoming very challenging to maintain, difficult to navigate, and had a very slow performance over time. The bottlenecks experienced along the way were that there are 80 different metrics that didn't apply to all service lines or hospitals, and we needed to create a dynamic view for each selection, but also retain the same look and feel from the system scorecard into this one. So incorporating all of these components was becoming a little challenging. How I came across Apps for Tableau was simply doing a Google search of creative ways to build dynamic tile views. And I immediately acquired leadership approval and started collaboration with them. The customer journey has been fantastic. We've had great collaboration and timely responses, always have gone above and beyond on all the requests, and extremely flexible with all the changes along the way. The outcome of this project was that there was a solution created which was elegant, intuitive, and an inviting experience for our senior leaders. The top users today have been our top 300 leaders of the organization to create a more focused and promote collaboration. It has significantly dropped our development time and increased resource optimization. Here's an example of what the dashboard looks like in production today. This example is using sample data. However, on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there is an option for users to select a KPI type. Within that KPI type, as a user, I have the ability to select service line or hospital, and these options down here will populate. So if I select service line, all the 12 service lines will appear. If I select hospital, all 5 hospitals will appear. Along with that, our KPIs are divided up into 4 categories: our team, our patients, financial sustainability, and growth. And within these 4 categories, each metric applies at a month-to-date or a year-to-date level, with the respective trends displayed. Last but not least, this project saved us over 100 hours of development time, and we plan to use the additional templates for other projects. Additionally, we would like to train other developers in the organization to self-serve with those templates. I learned a really cool skill set while working with Clause, which was using map layers, and I hope to apply that skill set across other dashboards. We had a great time working with Apps for Tableau, and I hope you have the opportunity to work with them as well. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to go to appsfortableau.com. Thank you.